Here I have BLACKBERRY Key2 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's find and select the apps icon, scroll down, and here let's use the settings. Scroll down again and find system. From the system, let's tab languages and input. Here let's tab languages from the top of the screen. Right now I'm using English from United Kingdom, but if you would like to change your language, let's choose add a language. This is the full list of available languages that you can use on the following device. In my case, let me switch from English to Spanish, so let's tab on Español, for example from España. And now you need to place the Español into the first position. Let me show you. That's it. So right now you can go back, and as you can see, the whole list of settings and also apps are in Spanish. If you would like to go back to English version, let's use the apps icon, tab ajustes, choose sistema, choose idiomas in traduce de texto, tab idiomas again, and let's place English into the first position. So that's it. Right now you can use the English version of your device. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.